creamy, nut-free pasta dinner that will surely satisfy you.
It's really easy to make this delicious pasta recipe. So I've just added half a cup of white cooked beans. So I just used from a can and just drained them, washed them and added them. So the majority of the ingredients are just gonna go in a blender, get blended, and that's your sauce done. Add 60 milliliters of almond milk or any dairy-free milk you like. And add 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion granules, 1/4 of a teaspoon of white pepper, half a teaspoon of mixed dried herbs, zest of 1 lemon, and the juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of white miso, 1 tablespoon of creamy tahini. Now let's blend. And this is our cheesy nut-free sauce ready to be used. Okay, so I cooked up 1 cup of pasta. You can use any pasta you like. You can use spaghetti, you can use pea or lentil pasta, any pasta you like. Yeah, so basically this was 1 cup of uncooked pasta that I cooked, and this is pretty much what I've got. And I also folded in some spinach, which I think is gonna go really well with this dish. Now pour your sauce over the pasta. Now let's mix. Okay, so that's all ready. Now you can just add all your desired toppings.